Welcome to the DeltaMath Solution tutorial. This is going to be covering determining if a graph is a function. Here you are given this graph and you're going to determine whether it is a function or not a function. The way we approach this is to apply what we call the vertical line test. The vertical line test is when you draw a line straight down, and if the graph here only passes through one point, it is considered to be a function. The reason why is because a function is defined by every single input has an exactly one output. So here, if we plugged in this value of, let's say, right here, 1, or -1, if we plug in the x is equal to -1, we see that its corresponding part here is 4. So the y is 4. So if you plug in a -1, you're always going to get it a 4. So in this case, do you see how it only passes through one point? So this would be considered to be a function. So we can come back here and hit it's a function. Hit yes, and you're going to now see it shows the vertical line test, and it only crosses only once, nothing more. Let's do it one more time. Here it says to determine whether this graph is a function or not. And again, we apply our same strategy as drawing the vertical line test down, and we'll draw it down here at -4. Now notice here our x value that we are plugging in is going to be -4. So the x value that we're plugging in is -4. Notice that the output can be this. So the y can be equal to -3.7, or it can be this value, which is y is equal to -6.7. So notice that here there are 2 points. That's the first point and that's the second point. The 2 points means that there are 2 outputs, or 2 y values for our x value. That is the reason why it's not a function, because here it crosses more than one point. So you would say here this is not a function. There you go. Notice it crosses it twice. That's why it's not a function. So there you go. That is how you determine whether something is a function or not a function. It is by the vertical line test.